Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will know that how to fix black screen high contrast on Windows 7. So guys, if you are new on my channel, please subscribe the channel. Here you can find more video related to fix for Windows 7, Windows 10, Windows 11 and other software. So let's start the video. Right click on desktop and click here personalize option, and after that click here Windows 7 basic option. So guys, I hope your problem is fixed here. If your problem is fixed, please subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you so much.